This is a mathematically ensured trading system designed for capital diversification and risk management across any market phase. The structure below is built upon the core logic of the living ladder. Performance and strategy. Overview. In backtesting, the system showed strong results when running 10 different configurations simultaneously. With 10 bots active, the system generates a monthly profit of 8% to 16% of the total capital. Diversification is achieved by running bots with varied RSI configurations and timeframes, ranging from 1 minute to 1 hour. For example, 2 or 3 bots might run in full mode, while 7 run in partial mode. Some use a 1-minute RSI for rapid scalping, while others use 5-minute, 1-hour, or 4-hour timeframes. For higher timeframes, the take-profit TP levels are expanded accordingly. 1. Capital mathematics and risk management. The foundation of this system is precise capital allocation. For a total balance of $5,000, the distribution is as follows. Quantity, 10 independent bot configurations. Initial margin, each bot is allocated 0.05% of total capital, $2.50. Leverage, 10 times. Initial position size, USDF value. The bot opens the first rung at $25, $2.50 margin times 10 leverage. Strategic reserve. Since the initial position is a tiny fraction of total capital, the bot maintains a massive reserve for the ascent, scaling. This allows it to add new rungs during adverse price movements and improve the average entry price without liquidation risk. 2. Macro direction, hybrid mode. Hybrid mode acts as the system's brain to filter macro trends. Macro filter uses hybrid RSI timeframe, e.g., daily or 4-hour charts. Logic. If the macro RSI crosses RSI overbought hybrid, e.g., 51, the bots switch to short mode. If it falls below RSI oversold at hybrid, e.g., 49, they switch to long mode. Outcome. This ensures all 10 bots trade in alignment with the global trend. 3. Diversification, partial versus full mode. To capture different market fluctuations, bots are divided into 2 groups. Partial mode. These bots take profit piece by piece. In this mode, individual rungs close in profit. While the exchange may initially show a temporary loss on the remaining position, the mathematical logic ensures a total net profit once the cycle completes. This is ideal for 1 million and 5 million timeframes to ensure constant capital turnover. Full mode. These bots build a total position and exit only when the volume-weighted average price, WAP, reaches the target. This mode is designed for larger trending movements. 4. The living ladder. Logic. The system adapts to every market move. Signal, a trade triggers when RSI crosses RSI oversold or RSI overbought. The ascent, scaling. If the price moves against the position, the bot adds new rungs. After reaching the MOIN scaling ladder's threshold, each subsequent rung increases by a scaling factor. Dynamic TP, adaptive goal. As the position grows, older TP levels become distant. The TP scaling as enabled feature pulls the furthest TP targets closer to the current price using the TP scaling factor. Mathematical edge. The effective scaling formula factors the size of new rungs against old ones. The more we scale, the more aggressively the bot brings the profit point toward the current price, allowing for an exit on even a minor retracement. 5. Control and security. RSI reset level prevents the bot from opening new positions until the RSI returns to a neutral zone, protecting against stuck RSI signals. Synchronization. The remove stale rungs function clears memory of orders that no longer exist on the exchange, e.g. if closed manually. Full reset. Upon closing the entire position in profit, the bot performs a complete reset for a new cycle. Technical setup and parameters. Critical. Before launching, set your exchange to cross-margin and hedge mode. The bot may trade both directions simultaneously. Without hedge mode, opposing positions will conflict and close incorrectly. 1. Base trading parameters. Symbol, the pair, e.g. FIL/USDT:USDT. Leverage, usually 10 times. In cross mode, all 10 bots share the total balance as a single liquidity pool. USD value, initial margin in dollars. Example, $5 margin at 10 times leverage equals $50 nominal position. 2. Entry signals. RSI levels. RSI oversold, e.g. 32, triggers longs. RSI overbought, e.g. 68, triggers shorts. RSI reset level prevents overtrading in noisy zones. The bot stays idle until the market stabilizes and crosses this level. 3. Position scaling, the ascent. Scaling factor determines the size increase of subsequent rungs, e.g. 1.05 equals 5% increase. Mean scaling ladders, the number of initial rungs placed at base size before the scaling factor kicks in. TP scaling factor pulls distant TPs closer. OBA formula, newest ladder size divided by furthest ladder size, times TIP scaling factor. EMA filter. If enabled, the bot only trades in the direction of the EMA, e.g., price greater than EMA equals longs only.